Hey guys, Tara at Acura Wappingers Falls here. Today I'm here to show you how to use the remote start built into your key fob. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start on your key fob with the 2022 Acura MDX. All we're going to do is make sure that the car is locked first. Then we're going to push and hold the engine hold button, and we're going to see the lights blink at the top of the key fob. It's going to be yellow a couple times. Then the car will start. You can let go and it'll be green. That's how you know the car started, in case you can't see it from wherever you're starting. If you wanted to also shut it off from remote start, you can do the same thing. Push and hold the button, and the engine will shut itself off. The 2022 MDX also comes equipped with an auto shut off after 20 minutes of remote start as a new safety feature. The remote start key fob comes standard in all advanced packages in every model except for the ILX. If you don't have the advanced package, you can always have remote start installed on your vehicle as an accessory. The newer Acuras also feature the Acura Link app on your phone, which you can download, that have the remote start feature now built in. This is a free trial for a certain period of time. After that trial, it is a yearly subscription fee, which you can purchase right through the app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, you can comment down below or reach me at my information provided down here as well, or you can come and see me here at Acura Wappingers Falls.